Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a aftermarket exhaust on a Ford F-150 with the Tremor package. So this is what the sounds like. So it sounds pretty good, right? So we're going to do an aftermarket Corsa exhaust for it. So here it is, and we'll give you guys after and see how it sounds once we finish installing this for the customer. Stay tuned. All right, so we finished the installation, the first startup. Way different. There you go. All right, thanks for watching again, guys.